How to flip image in Alight motion. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can flip image in Alight motion. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up Alight motion, then open up your project where you have your image on. Once you have opened up the project, now to flip your image, tap on the image on your timeline. Navigate to top right, tap on the three dot icon. From this drop-down menu, now you have an option to flip your image. You could select the direction where you want to flip your image, then tap on it. For example, if you want to flip horizontally, tap on it, and now there you go, the image has been flipped. If you tap on three dot again and head over to flip vertically, the image will flip vertically. And you could also try more other options such as vertically and horizontally. So that's it. That's how you can flip image in Alight motion, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.